Beautiful.
Look at the tree.
Oh, that's cool.
Kingston.
Honey, where are we, babies?
Kingston.
Downtown Kingston.
Downtown Kingston.
We just got our ticket for the boat ride, Thousand Island Cruise for 3 hours. We leave at noon. It's early right now. It's only 10:30.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna relax, walk around, check it out, enjoy the day. The weather's just absolutely beautiful. This is gorgeous down here. Must be like their town hall. That thing's huge. Beautiful, beautiful.
Yeah. Yes.
Bars. Oh, Kyle, so cute.
So this is their plaza.
History of engineering.
It's like mini amphitheater.
Yeah, look at that. Oh, this is nice.
Yeah, it looks like we're in Spain, honey.
Yeah, just come, sit, relax. Listen to music. Hey guys, how you doing? This is incredible. We are in Kingston, sort of downtown area towards the marina, but this is where the Thousand Island Cruise takes off from. But we're just about a block in, and I think north from downtown, but it's just a recreation area. All these tables set up. We got a place where you can just relax, but it's so cool. And you got speakers and music playing, but here you got bars, ice cream shops, you name it.
It's a Sunday.
They got it here.
Let's go to the church, honey.
They got church going, yeah. Oh yeah, the big church over there.
Honey, let's go to the church.
That's so nice. It's so beautiful.
We're
Yeah,
going
so
to
this
the
is
church.
really cool.
It's Sunday today. So
Later,
let's go to the church.
later.
No, let's just go.
Later.
We're crossing.
Let's go towards the church. We'll go that way.
Okay. We're going to the church. That's where we are. That's their plaza. Okay. Honey, where are you?
Hey, downtown Kingston, walking around, checking things out. This is so cool. It's so beautiful. This is gorgeous out too.
Yeah.
Early morning. It's beautiful. I'll have to grab a coffee later.
We're going to the church. Oh, there's a procession. Look at that. Oh, we're going here.
So, we're still walking. Come towards us, we'll just move over.
Where are we heading?
It's beautiful down here. A Delta Hotel, but I think that's a apartment building, yeah. don't know if they start harvesting. I think so.